The album's called Ùrlar, and that's a Gaelic word which translates as ground or floor, and it's really the kind of sense of foundation that we're going for with this album.
Producing this album for you guys is Kris Drever from Ùrlar. What brings someone like that in, apart from his really good looking ears?
Kris is just a really inspiring musician and singer. That's one thing, and I think we're all fans of the music that he's created over the past few years. But he's also just a great positive influence on us, and he's quite engaged in the same thing that we are in, where we're got our foot in this traditional thing, but also like looking to kind of expand on it and always kind of treat the tradition tastefully, but like look how we can change it up a wee bit and bring in some different ideas. And he definitely understands that.
Yeah, and he has a cracking set of ears.
We've kind of sourced some Gaelic songs and some other kind of Scottish songs as well, and we all are equally a part of the arrangements of them, and we all like write breaks and wee instrumentals and things like that.
Quite often one person will bring a tune in or a song in, and then they'll have their own ideas, and it'll just merge, and we'll throw our own thing into the pot, and it'll come out as it always comes out as a group concept, really.
Yeah, it's very democratic and
one of the main things is to give the people that enjoy our music and come to our gigs and stuff a real like experience on record, and also just showcase like what we're all about with our own compositions, and showcase the inspiration that we've been gathering over the past few years. Just to give a real showcase of what we're all about.